So we are at the UGI Learning Center in Leesport, Pennsylvania, performing an installation project of a solar array, both ground mount and rooftop mounted solar arrays. The services RETTEW provided on this project as an EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction contractor was the engineering and design of the solar array, procurement of the materials to do the construction, as well as acting as the general contractor for the construction phase of this project. The main features of this project are a ground mount solar array that is about 550 kilowatt DC, a rooftop array on the building behind me that is about 150 kilowatt DC, as well as an additional rooftop array on a building towards the back of the property that is around 50 kilowatt DC. The goal of this project is to provide UGI with on-site energy production for use at their brand new UGI learning facility.